Richard with ABC. I'm at the IHA show, and I'm talking here with Kevin with the Sirena.
Yes.
It's got a great new unit here, one I've never really seen before. So what exactly is going on with this particular unit for vacuuming?
Well, Richard, quite frankly, Sirena is probably the healthiest vacuum cleaner that you can use in a home. All right, it's a bagless vacuum cleaner that uses water filtration technology. And this technology is definitely easier to use. It's eco-friendly, and quite frankly, it works the best for a lot of reasons. And we'll talk about some of those reasons.
Well, usually with vacuums, you see bags or things like that. So this definitely doesn't use a bag.
No, and that's what's unique about it. You know, the bags have a lot of problems. First of all, they grow bacteria, the germs, and things are contained in the bags that you pick up off your floor, from food particles to pet hair. And we know what grows in a warm, dark, and moist condition. More dirt, right. more bacteria. With the canisters, the bagless canisters that are out there today, you go to dump the canister and the dust is going everywhere. They clog up. They lose a lot of suction and airflow.
Like you put it in, then the dust poof comes out.
Yes.
It gets in your face.
And that's what's unique about water filtration is that when you're done, you're just going to dump the pollutants down your toilet bowl. It's safe to put right in your toilet bowl, no problem. And the dirt and filth is out of your home, out of your house forever.
So you don't have to dump it outside. You can just dump it right.
Oh, you can dump it right down the toilet bowl. Absolutely. Now, the first thing this Sirena does that's unique is that it washes the air inside your home. We're all concerned about the indoor environment, from pet dander to dead skin flakes. 90% of dust is really dead skin cells. So to have all these things floating around inside of the air, it's not good for anybody that has allergies or breathing difficulties. And quite frankly, everyone likes their home to smell and be fresh and clean. The great thing about Sirena, if you turn the machine on for just 10 minutes, in the center of any room, it's going to take all the dust particulate that's floating around, it's going to draw it inside of here, and it's going to wash it inside of that water. And once the dust hits the water, it cannot come back out. And what the Sirena does is circulates clean, fresh air all back through your home. It's amazing.
I can smell that too. It really smells good. Is there some kind of smell?
Yes. We have two products. We have the Ocean Breeze deodorizer. And this is excellent for pungent smells, from cooking to perhaps pet odors, or you just want a nice clean aroma inside your home. You just add a capful into the water directly. Kind of just sucks it right in there. And what you're going to get is a nice aroma that comes back out and really, really freshens your home. Okay, and this is a great product. And then for a more particular scent, we have two other things here. We have, this is apple, we have pine, we have a tropical, and then we also have a eucalyptus menthol. Now this is quite amazing. Here's what you can do with this. Let's say you're clogged up or congested. You can take the eucalyptus oil, you can put it directly into the Sirena, and you can turn it to the low speed setting, and that's going to continue to put that eucalyptus in your air, whether it's your child's room or your room. It's going to do it all night long, so you can get a good sleep. It's on low right now. You can't hear it. Okay. That's pretty amazing. So 2 speeds. The first speed is for washing the air, and the second speed is if you just want to deodorize the room. It's pretty remarkable.
I'm starting to smell that.
Yes.
I can really smell that.
And now what's great about the fragrances is that when you put them in the water and you run it for a 10-minute duration, the aromas are going to last anywhere between 8 to 12 hours. They're going to linger in your room. So your friends and family will come over and they'll think you've been cleaning all day.
Yeah, that's one thing my wife likes, is that nice fresh smell.
Yes.
She's been cleaning, so.
Yeah, it's a great feature of our product. It's one of my favorite features altogether. The other unique thing about our product that's different from any other vacuum cleaner, Richard, have you ever spilt anything on the carpet? You probably haven't, but.
No.
Okay. What's great about our product is that if you spill a glass of juice, perhaps maybe your wine or what have you, what's great about the Sirena, because it uses water filtration technology, is you can pick up liquids with it. Hold that there for me for a second. Pretty neat, eh? Now, you don't have to put water in the product in the Sirena to pick up water. So only thing a customer would have to do is grab their unit out the closet, and then they can extract out. We have different tools and parts that you can use to extract things, to do corners, crevices. And if the hoses are wet and you want to dry those hoses out, we have a clean air exhaust in the back. So the only thing you would have to do is take that off and stick the hose directly into the clean air exhaust. And now the Sirena is going to circulate the air through the hoses, and they're going to dry those hoses out for you.
The inside will be all.
Yeah, the inside will be dry, yes.
That's going to be our next question. The second wet things in there.
Well, you're going to take care of it just like this. The other good thing about this clean air exhaust is that you can use it for different features. For example, you can stick the hose directly into it, and we have an adapter that goes on here that blows out, it's going to blow out clean compressed air. So if you want to blow dust off of something like a radiator vent, or perhaps you want to blow up some air mattresses or balloons of any type, you can do that as well too. So this is a really good feature, and it's good to have.
Now I noticed this piece right over here, that's obviously for the carpets. So if you have like thick pile carpet maybe, or? Well,
you know, nowadays people have so many types of carpets inside of their home, from Berber carpet to the new ultra soft carpets. You know, they have mixed flooring, they have tile, they have wood floors. You know, you need something that's going to be able to do a multitude of different surfaces. And when we designed the Sirena, what we kept in mind is that every home's different. And so we made it work on all types of carpets, all types of floors, and you have two tools to take care of your flooring. Of course, what's good is that you can put the Sirena inside of its own wheel dolly, and it rolls around beautifully. You have our premium floor brush that has a telescopic wand on it as well. And it's made of camel and horsehair, and they're known to attract dust. And you also notice that we have those notch grooves right here, and those notch grooves allow airflow to get through that tool. All right, so when you have this on the floor, you still need that airflow to come through the brushes, and you're able to clean the wood floors easily. You're also able to connect this up, and all the dirt from on the wood floors, the tile, again, it's going to go right directly into that water, and no dust is going to come back out. What's unique is that when a customer gets a Sirena, you get two of these telescopic poles. And what's unique about it is that you can put these poles together, and that's going to give a consumer a nice 12-foot reach. So if they want to clean on top of a shelf of some type, they got the tools to get up there in those hard to reach places.
If you have high ceilings or something like that, that's going to be simple to get.
Oh, it's going to come in handy. I love the telescopic poles that we have. Now for the carpets, you have our premium power nozzle. It has 3 different height adjustments down here for your low pile, your medium, or your high, and that's going to raise that front up to make sure that we have that airflow. If you have a really dense carpet, let's say, and you have that, and you don't have any ability to adjust that front, it's going to kind of take a nosedive, and your carpet is going to be very hard to push. So a customer is able to adjust it based on the type of carpet that they have. This connects directly into the Sirena, and here's the difference between, Richard, a regular vacuum. Simple question: when does your vacuum at home work at its best? When the container is full, or when it's empty?
It's empty.
When it's empty, it works a little bit. You notice it works a little bit better, picks up things a little faster. As with a regular vacuum cleaner, the problem is, as they clean, the more you clean with them, the less they work, because what you're losing is airflow. See, airflow is what pulls up the dirt into your vacuum cleaner. And here's the great thing about the Sirena is that because we use water filtration technology, you're not losing any of that airflow as you clean. So it doesn't matter how much you clean, doesn't matter how many rooms you clean, you're still going to have 100% airflow, because water doesn't have holes to get clogged up with dirt. All right? Now, take and hit that switch right there, and you can kind of just feel how powerful it is itself. Yes. Just push that across the carpet. One stroke. Push is really easy. Now, here's a couple of great things about it, is that you can go all the way down to like underneath the ottoman, underneath the mattresses, things of that nature. And you can disconnect the handle here, so you can put any of the other tools or attachments that you have, especially right on the.
I know what, how
top, it's going to have multi floors. It's going to have hardwood floors. It's going to have area rugs. It's going to have wall carpet upstairs. So this looks like it's a little smaller.
It's a multifunctional unit. It gives you functions that your typical vacuum cleaner is not going to give you. I mean, the bottom line is we want to pick up all the dirt out of the carpet, and we're going to get rid of all the dirt out of our home. And that's the great thing about the Sirena. It is eco-friendly. We're not buying bags. You're using the water, and it's definitely good for people who have allergies, asthma, and pets, of course.
This is great. I mean, there are literally things you can get what you pay for. This seems to be one of those things.
It's very valuable.
Whether you have allergies, whether you have multi-floors, and then if you just want to have a unique system here that really nobody else, as far as I know, is doing right now, with a backless water filtration system, Serena's great.
Customer gets a 10-year motor warranty on the unit, so it's well protected. We have now over 220 locations throughout the United States, and pretty awesome.
Hey Kevin, I appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.